Who hasn't woken up in the middle of the night, awakened by a sudden and terrible burning sensation in the pit of their stomach? Whether you indulged in some overly spicy chili, or you overdid it on those late night leftovers, these quick heartburn remedies will help you get rid of heartburn fast. Number 1. The first thing you'll want to do when you're awakened by heartburn pain is to stand up. This helps keep the acid at bay while you go and get a full glass of water. Number 2. Drink the whole glass of water and follow it with a mixture of 1 tablespoon of baking soda and a half a glass of water. Be careful though, if you have high blood pressure or you're pregnant, this can cause water retention or increase your blood pressure. Number 3. Do not drink milk or suck on mints to relieve heartburn. Milk might feel nice and cool going down, but it actually contains fats and proteins that cause your stomach to secrete more acid and make your heartburn worse. Mints, while they may feel soothing, actually relax the small valve between your esophagus and stomach, whose purpose it is to keep acid at bay. When this valve is relaxed, more acid can seep up and aggravate heartburn symptoms. This is going to sound strange, but downing a teaspoon of vinegar can help soothe heartburn immediately. Why give your stomach more acid when it already seems to have enough, you ask? Sometimes heartburn is caused as a result of too little acid, and vinegar helps quell indigestion by giving your stomach a little extra juice to do its job. Number 5. Certain foods can cause heartburn, including soda pop or beverages with caffeine, alcohol, garlic, chocolate, citrus fruits, tomatoes, and tomato-based products. Avoiding these types of foods can ease your indigestion if you frequently find yourself awakened with intolerable burning. Number 6. Eating a banana each day works like an antacid to soothe heartburn. If you already have heartburn, eating pineapple or papaya can help settle your stomach naturally. Some people also claim that eating a teaspoon of mustard can work immediately. I say that's gross. Number 7. Avoid eating at least 2 hours before you go to sleep. Those late night snacks can keep your stomach busy all night and prevent you from easing into a deep, restful sleep. You may also find that sleeping on your left side or sleeping at a somewhat upright angle can keep acid down where it belongs. If you get heartburn on a regular basis, or the pain is severe, or if you have heartburn with vomiting, you'll want to consult your doctor immediately, as it may be a sign of a more serious condition such as an ulcer. Above all, avoid spicy, fatty, and caffeine-containing foods, and you should be able to avoid heartburn altogether.